Hi guys, welcome to this video. This video is about the hidden job market. What is this hidden job market and how you can access it? Okay, because this is a very important topic. If you understand this, then your job search strategy would really help you because most people are playing the wrong game. I want to help you play the right game. Okay. Now, see, the point is the first point I want to make here is the biggest mistake people make today is that they look at these published jobs on LinkedIn, Naukri, these career websites of these companies, and they apply randomly. Okay, they would go to, let's say, AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, and they would do these simple things. You know what? Copy the job description, and they would, go and just ask AI to create a resume, right? Which would, let's say, extract all the keywords of the job description. They'll make a resume and upload it. This is a problem, right? Because of AI, what is happening is right now, everybody has got super polished resume, right? Everybody has got a super polished cover letter, which they're uploading on these career websites of companies, LinkedIn, Naukri, Monster. So imagine the nightmare for the recruiter और दी हायरिंग मैनेजर। मतलब उन लोग के लिए कितना डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है यार। मतलब वो लोग सोच रहे हैं कि यार हमने एक जॉब पोस्ट की थी, 1000 एप्लीकेशन आ रही हैं, हमको सिर्फ 5 या 6 लोग को शॉर्टलिस्ट करना है इंटरव्यू कॉल के लिए। तो 1000 में से जो उनको 6 से 7 लोग शॉर्टलिस्ट करने हैं, कितना डिफिकल्ट है उन लोगों के लिए। ठीक है, फॉर यू it is a difficult thing to get those interview calls, but for those hiring managers and recruiters to shortlist 6 profiles out of 1000 profiles is even more difficult, right? Why I am telling you this is because अगर आप ये समझोगे कि यार ये कितना गलत गेम हो रहा है और ये सिस्टम ऐसा बन चुका है कि मतलब now even if you are really good, you are really skilled at your job, but if you don't get those interview calls, then फिर वो jobs कैसे लोगे आप, right? So what I would recommend is for you to do and think about is कि how do you access jobs which are hidden to you, जिसका एक्सेस आपके पास अभी नहीं है, बट देयर हैज टू बी अ सिस्टम और अ वे टू बाईपास दिस एंटायर गेम जो भी खेली जा रही है, राइट? वेयर पीपल आर जस्ट अपलोडिंग रैंडमली ऑन ऑनलाइन देयर रेज्यूमेज, they are reaching out to people on LinkedIn and asking for jobs. They say, you know what, hi, can you help me get a job in this company? To cold to strangers, to let's say their friends as well. But you know what, if you are so desperate, people don't want to help you. This is a harsh truth of life. If you are really coming across as a person who is very desperate for a job or something in life, people don't want to help you. Okay, so what you should do instead is you should think about this hidden job market as a gold mine, right? And why I'm telling you this is because I have done this myself. I have built a system which I have tested on myself where I've got 3 interview calls at my dream companies: Google Cloud AI, OpenAI, and Salesforce, using this system which I've built, right? And I've built an entire free course on YouTube which you can look at and understand what I've done there with actual proofs, right? So that you understand this hidden job market in detail, and then how can you access those jobs as well. Okay, number one. Number two is that you have to basically go from a job seeker mindset to a problem solver mindset. बिकॉज अगर आपका वो माइंडसेट अभी भी वैसा है ना कि मतलब यू नो व्हाट, दिस इज माय प्रोफाइल, प्लीज सैनिटाइज माय रिज्यूमे, प्लीज गेट मी हेल्प मी गेट अ जॉब, नोबडी इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. You have to come across as a person who can solve problems of business, of companies, of hiring managers, of recruiters. Because once they see you as a person who can solve problems, then the entire game shifts in their head, and then you will get those interview calls and ultimately those jobs that you are training for. Now, the other thing I want to talk to you about is about this is the system which I think will be there, and it has to be learned by people who are in tech or non-tech. Let's say you're an engineer, you are, let's say, a techie who is good at engineering. Let's say, right? So, but if you don't know how to position yourself in this unpublished job market, then you are fighting a lone battle, my friend. You are just competing with those applications which are there in those ATS softwares of these companies, and then you are competing with those applications which are uploaded, and you might get one call here and there, but you might not get a call from companies where you really want to work at your dream companies, right? So it's a skill, it has to be learned, and I've exactly showcased that in the free course that is there in my YouTube channel. You can go and watch that video somewhere. I'll put the link in the comment section as well, and also at the end of the video. you can go check out the video. It is a 30 minutes video. I've explained everything in detail. You can go there and watch it and understand for yourself. And the last thing I want to tell you is, see, job market is getting tougher and tougher, right? Because of AI, lots of jobs are being replaced by AI systems. I myself build AI sales systems for companies where I teach them and train them on how to use AI systems to, let's say, automate certain processes, which is not required currently, right? So it's only getting, better with each passing day. So now you need to basically come across as a person who can solve a specific problem, and you have to attach a particular value to your work. What I mean by that is, you have to show the proof of impact of your work in your previous experience, or let's say wherever you're trying to get a job. You have to showcase that company कि आपने क्या अपनी लाइफ में ऐसा किया है या आप क्या कर सकते हो जिससे कि you can show some impact in terms of revenue, in terms of, let's say, company's profitability. If you cannot showcase that proof of impact, then it will be very, very difficult for you to compete in this market, because it is only getting tougher and tougher for people who are, let's say, in tech roles, who don't know how to quantify their impact in real numbers. See, if there is a sales guy somewhere, or a product guy somewhere, or a marketing guy somewhere, they would, let's say, still have better ROI metrics in terms of how they can showcase their impact or proof of impact. But for tech professionals, I really empathize, because their job is very, very important. But how do they show their proof of impact is something which they need to think about. This is where I help. I have also built this entire operating system where I can teach you, especially tech professionals and non-tech professionals as well, in terms of how to build this operating system so that you get these interview calls at your dream companies, right? You can check out the description of the video where I put the enrollment link for this, for this program, which is the Hidden Job Search Operating System program. It's a completely self-paced course, for 6 months access, and there'll also be live sessions where I'll be coming once a month live to answer your questions. And I have got interview calls from Google, OpenAI, and Salesforce using the same system, right? So, okay, so we are running a special price on this Hidden Job Search Operating System program. For the next 5 days till 15th June, you will find a very good offer in the YouTube description. Please go to the YouTube description, find the enrollment link, click on that, see the offer, and enroll for this course today. Okay. And if you want to watch the free course of the entire breakdown of the steps that I did for myself to get the exact interview calls at OpenAI, Google, and Salesforce, please find this free course here somewhere on the screen and watch this entire video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we'll be getting more such videos about job search, about career clarity, and how to use AI to stay ahead. Thank you for watching.